All right, welcome to an ETS15 one-to-one interview. I'm Christine with Zpryme, and we're excited to have Michael here from the U.S. Department of Energy. Thanks for joining us, Michael.
Happy to be here.
All right, so tell us a little bit about what you're doing with the DOE.
Yeah, basically I'm there for a little over a year and a half, and when I got there I had the privilege of co-founding and launching a new program. It's called the Sunshot Catalyst. What we do is we turn raw ideas into real solar startups. So we've almost concluded our first round. We've backed 17 teams which are developing products which they'll demonstrate at a demo day coming up in May 14th.
So talk to us a little bit about, we had a panel this morning where we talked about, IP, funding, new energy business models, things like that. And I thought that you had a really innovative approach in terms of some of the prize money and different things that are going on. You want to talk a little bit more about that?
Right, yeah. So there's kind of a couple different trends that we're riding. One of them is this open data revolution. We've developed a lot of data sets and tools at the National Renewable Energy Lab. Another thing is the use of prizes and challenges across the government. Year over year, they're increasing in terms of total value, dollar amount of the prize purse, as well as agencies participating in it. And then with those two trends, really what we're trying to do is lower soft costs. So if you're talking about solar, the major trend right now is hardware prices have come down. The majority of the cost stack up is related to non-hardware things such as customer acquisition, permitting, interconnection, financing. So using kind of data, we thought, how can we reduce those soft costs? So that's where the prizes come in. That allows us to stage incentives at appropriate times in the development of an idea into a commercialized product. So with that mashup, we launched the Sunshot Catalyst.
And you talked a little bit about the role of crowdsourcing and sharing.
Right.
Could you talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, I think what is kind of sets us apart from maybe the traditional prize incentive is that we crowdsource the initial problems that folks submit business solutions for. So we do that through an online platform. You can check it out at catalyst.energy.gov. And to kick off the process or to seed it, we ask specific folks in the community, solar community, data community, our software developers, a host of individuals, what are the specific pain points and what are the wish list? What's the wish list of products that you wish you had that would make going solar faster, easier, and cheaper?
Yeah.
So we were able to source over 140 problems in about 30 days or so. Then we asked innovators and entrepreneurs to submit a video pitch that actually addressed one of those specific problems. So out of 140 problems, we ended up with about 17 really great ideas, and now those folks are prototyping their solution in 90 days. Nice.
Now, I know you mentioned in the panel talking a little bit about the changing role of government and the way they fund things, and it sounds like other parts of the government have been interested in the projects that you're working on.
Right, yeah. I think a lot of the interest has come from both internal to DOE as well as the White House as well. Nice. The Office for Science and Technology Policy has a director of open innovation. Jen Gustetic, that's her name, is a big fan of this project. We have a lot of support using prizes and incentives for small business commercialization, for launching new products. Internally as well, the DOE has run a number of hackathons leveraging energy data. We also host every year an Energy Data Palooza as well. So across the DOE, I mean, we have a lot of examples of innovation, and I think Catalyst just is really capitalizing on that movement. We're just trying to create a systematic approach to bring raw ideas to the market.
Sounds like it's fun too. So what do people do if they want to get involved again?
Right. So right now, we're in the prototyping phase, but we're planning to launch another round of the Catalyst program.
Okay.
It'll be in the May timeframe. We will open up the platform to receive problem statements. So sound off. What are the pain points? If you're a consumer, if you're at a utility, we want to know all of them, and we're looking for specific problems related to software, data, and automation. And after that, we'll do another round of video pitch submissions. And then we'll pick the next cohort that will go forth and do another demo day. And then we'll hopefully run it a third time as well before I'm off to something else.
Sounds good. Thanks for joining us, Michael.
Okay.